Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So after seeing this chart, what do you think, whether this candles will come down to the support level or if there is a breakout possible? So that we'll see in the technical analysis. I'm talking about this cryptocurrency, that is XRP coin, and you can see that I'm in the monthly chart. And if you have not subscribed the channel, then do subscribe the channel for latest updates. So you can see I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend lines. So you can see this is the support trend line, okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So it is very important to draw trend lines to find out support resistance levels, so that it will be easy to know where the candles will be moving in future. So you can see that previously the candles were moving in upward direction, and then you can see the fall started. So you can see that previously the candles were moving in upward direction, and then this is the support, and this is the after the breakout the candles have taken support here. Again it went up, again the candles are falling continuously. And if you draw the trend line, if you go to the weekly chart and let us draw the trend lines, so you can see previously the candles were moving in upward direction, and then continuously the candles are falling in this channel pattern. Okay, so this is the resistance trend line, and within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. Okay, so you can see that from here, after this candles went to the resistance level, continuously the candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. You can see that. If you go to the daily chart also, you can see that continuously the candles are falling, and here you can see the breakout happened, the candles went up. Now again the candles may start falling in this downtrend channel pattern. So you can see the fall may take place, candles may come down to the support here, and after the breakout the candles may start moving in a upward direction. So if you go to the daily chart also, you can see candles are now falling. You can see already touched the resistance trend line, so the fall may take place, candles may come down, again may go up. So like this, it may fall in this downtrend channel pattern. Okay, so you can see that. So candles may come down to the support which is around 1.7 or something, and after the breakout it may go to the resistance level which is around 2.16. okay, so like this the fall may take place, and after the breakout you may see a rally towards this resistance level which is around 3.6. Candles may go to the resistance level from here. Okay, so previously also you can see candles were falling in this channel pattern. Okay, after the breakout it has gone to the resistance level, and then continuously the fall is happening in this downtrend channel pattern. And since the candles are moving in like you can see it went up to the resistance level, so RSI also went up, and then fall started. So RSI is reversed, so it may fall continuously, and when the reversal takes place then you may see a breakout towards this resistance level, or else if it stays here then continuously the candles may fall, and after taking support it may reverse and go to the resistance level. So by drawing trend lines you know where these candles are moving. Okay, and now we'll talk about other details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price $2.13 and the rank is around 4. Position around 2 million users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $129 billion, and the volume in 24 hours is $4.1 billion. It is up by 3%. It is down by 3%. You can see total supply is 99 billion XRP coin, and total holders you can see around 496k holders for this cryptocurrency. Maximum supply is 100 billion XRP coins, and the circulating supply you can see around 60.67 billion XRP coins. Okay, you can see the details here, and now we'll go to the chart again. So you can see that I'm in the monthly chart, and you can see currently the candles are falling. Here there is a support. If there is a breakout happen, it may go up to the resistance level. So currently you can see candles are falling continuously in this downtrend channel pattern. So very simple, you have to draw the trend lines properly. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and what do you think about this chart? Please comment me in the comment box, and I'll try to reply your comment. Okay, see you then in the next video. And this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you.